Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can get started with Moodle. Even if you are an absolute beginner, we will explore what Moodle is, how you can use it, and how you can get started with Moodle. Even if you are an absolute beginner, so you don't have to worry, we will show you in the more easiest way possible. So let's dive right in, but before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description and on the comment section. So first of all, let me explain what exactly is Moodle. So Moodle is a powerful open source learning platform. It allows you to build online courses, create communities, and set up your own learning management system, also known as an LMS. Moodle is divided into different areas like Moodle LMS, the platform where you wish to teach, assess, and communicate with learners. There is many other Moodle niches, like let me talk about them, like Moodle Workplace, where you can use a tool designed for employee training and development. Then Moodle Academy, where you can take free courses and learn to become an expert Moodle educator, administrator, or developer. Also, Moodle Native community is best to share open educational resources. Whether you are a school, university, corporate trainer, or independent course creator, Moodle has a solution for you. So first of all, when you visit this site called moodle.org, like organization, you will see options like this. You just have to tap onto this icon, and here you can see that moodle.com, moodle.net, and Moodle Academy. Also, you just tap onto this option called get involved, and from there you can see these all the options I just talked with you, like Moodle LMS and all this documentation, plugins, themes, where you can join the discussion in themes forum, develop and share your own theme. There is translations. You can join the community of Moodle translators and help make Moodle available in your language. There's also forums. You can participate in discussions and help answer questions about Moodle use and development in the community forums. Here's the testing site, like help test and report bugs and participate in QA testing for new releases and features. And here's design and UX option, like explore design resources, participate in UX discussions, and sign up for Moodle UX research. This is Moodle app, contribute with new features, fix bugs, or adapt mobile plugins to work with app. And then MoodleNet and Moodle Academy, like MoodleNet is to participate in discussions, you can suggest new functionality and help answer questions about MoodleNet. This is Moodle Academy, where you can suggest and vote on webinar topics, deliver webinars, translate courses. Also, you can create courses to share practice with other community members. So Moodle is a really helpful site. This is pretty much like a university, but in the online version. You will find pathways to learn how to manage grades and assessments, create quizzes and activities. Also on the Moodle, you can communicate effectively with students. So now let's create a Moodle account first. So you have to click login at the top right corner. You have to find the option for login. Here you can see at the top right corner this option called login. You have to tap onto login, and then you have to click on create a new account, let it load, then tap on to create new account, this option, tap onto it, and you will be asked to confirm your age and country. Like for example, I'm going to enter my age like 20, then I'm going to choose a country. You just have to choose your country and you enter your age, then tap on to proceed. Then you will find out basic details like username, password, email address, first and last name, then city and country, your preferred learning pathways, for example like educator, developer, designer, etc. So after completing this, you will have access to Moodle Academy. Okay, so scroll down this side, then tap onto next. Now again tap onto next, and then here you can see this Moodle.organization cookies used and all these things. Then scroll down to the bottom and then again tap onto next. You should read all their policies. If you have time, then check this icon and then tap on to next. So tap next again. Okay, you have to check all the icons and tap next now. Now you will be asked to enter your username, like I just mentioned earlier, your username, your password, your email address, your email again, your first name, last name, city, town, country, like choose your country. Then you have to enter your name. Then you have to enter a strong password here. Then you have to enter your email address right here. Wait a few seconds. Wait. So you have to enter all the information it is asking for you. Then tap on to this captcha to verify your information. So, okay, let me enter my email address. So as you can see, I am just entering this crosswalk. Then you have to tap verify. Then you have to tap on to create my account. Tap onto this, and okay, I just have to change my username now. So now I have to verify my captcha, like motorcycles, this. Then tap on to create my new account. Okay, only lower cases, right? Okay, I'm just entering random. Now let me recapture my challenge. Now create my new account. So tap save and then tap continue. Once logged in, you will on your land. You will land on your dashboard. So let's see. Let me reload the page now. As you can see, wait, let me confirm it. So as you can see, here is the dashboard option. Here you will find your courses. Like when you create courses, they will appear here like as my courses. This shows the courses you are enrolled in. Then calendar, track like upcoming events and due dates. Then private files, you have to upload and manage your documents, your grades. You can view your course progress and scores. Then that's it. It is a very user friendly layout, perfect for beginners. Okay, so let's now explore some courses under my courses. Okay, just find some courses now. From here you can find some courses here. Just simply click on this. You can add a new course, upload a new course. Also you can check course categories from here. You can add a category or adding or moving a category from here. As you can see here, you can do all the things you wish to. You can browse also categories like artificial intelligence, your teaching with technology, assessment strategies, and many more from here. You just have to play around and you will find all the options. And if you're new, I recommend start with beginner level courses like teaching with Moodle basics and Moodle admin basics. You just have to click enroll to get started. Okay, from my courses you can create courses from here. Just have to go to home, then scroll down. You have to choose like set up your courses. You can learn how to add resources and activities for students to complete within your model courses. And from there you have to see this video, and from there you can add a new course here. You can add a course or delete a course. For example, I'm going to add a course. As you can see how you can add a course, it is right showing here. So now if you're interested in building your own LMS models, you cover two. Like you have to go to moodle.com. As I showed you just now, you have to find solutions for higher education, workplace training, government and NGOs, K-12 education. Also you can either host your own Moodle site like self-hosted, or use Moodle Cloud where Moodles host everything for you. Pricing for Moodle Cloud plans starts from around 200 Australian dollar per year, and you can even start with a free trial to explore. Okay, I will suggest to go with the free trial first. And if you need setting help to setting up your model or customizing it for your organization, you can request consultancy services, paid support, training programs, custom development solutions. Then simply you have to tap on to get involved on the website, and you can create your model, LMS, documentation, plugins. You just have to choose your niche and then tap onto it. Now let me explain why using Moodle. So it is a open source, meaning it is flexible and customizable. It supports compliance training, employee onboarding, and sales enablement. You can create private courses or public learning hubs. It scales beautifully from small teams to global institutions. And best of all, you own your data and control how your learning system works. And that's a full beginner's guide to getting started with Moodle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have any questions or need help with anything Moodle related, I would love to hear what kind of tutorials you would like to see from me in the next. So till then, take care, goodbye, tada.